Welcome to this video on GAAP Advisors channel. GAAP Advisors reviews Ind AS financial statements on request basis and on suo motu basis. This video discusses an example on non-compliance with Ind AS 1 and Schedule 3 to the Companies Act 2013. A review of Ind AS financial statements takes 16 to 24 hours. It is a humble request that if you find this video useful, please contribute your desired amount by scanning the QR code given in the slides. A listed company in its published financial statements has presented the equity share capital section of the statement of changes in equity as shown in this slide. In our view, the presentation is not in compliance with Ind AS 1 and Schedule 3 to the Companies Act 2013. The reason for the same is explained in the next slide. Para 79 of Ind AS 1 requires disclosure of details of equity share capital either in the balance sheet or in the statement of changes in equity or in the notes. The company has not disclosed the details either in the balance sheet or in the statement of changes in equity. Therefore, the company should have given the same in notes. Para 113 of Ind AS 1 requires each item in the balance sheet, in the statement of profit and loss, in the statement of changes in equity and of cash flows to be cross-referenced to related information in the notes. Clause 4.2 of General Instructions for preparation and presentation of financial statements of a company required to comply with Ind AS of Division 2 and Division 3 of Schedule 3 to the Companies Act 2013 also require the same, except that Schedule 3 is silent on cash flows. Anyways, the requirements of Ind AS prevails over the requirements of Schedule 3. The company has not cross-referenced the equity share capital section of the statement of changes in equity to the note disclosing the details required by para 79 of Ind AS 1. Therefore, the company has not complied with the requirements of Ind AS 1 and Schedule 3 to the Companies Act 2013. Thank you so much for watching this video and for your contribution. Hope you found this video useful. If you would like to get your financial statements reviewed by GAAP Advisors, you may mail them in PDF in near publishing format to info@gapadvisors.com.